you go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla for the ones who are new. Your girl is back. I took a minute break. I know. I am not used to vlogging because of how long I've been gone, so bear with me. Y'all see baby boy. Y'all haven't saw him since last month. So he was, what, 7 months last month? Baby boy's now 8 months. I have to catch you guys up on what's been going on. A lot that's been happening. Y'all gotta catch up on a lot. I gotta tell you guys everything that's been going on. So yeah, but y'all, today we are going to the waterfall here in Georgia. I don't know the exact name of it, but we are going to enjoy the waterfall, get out the house. I've been trapped in the house for the past month. To be honest, I haven't really been able to get out as much as I would have liked to. I joined a church. That's one thing that I did do. Besides going to church, I don't be doing nothing in the house, to be honest. But yeah, I joined a church and I just been getting, you know, closer to God and everything, letting him guide my path and direct me in the right way. So yeah, but I'm gonna tell you guys all about that more later on. So yeah, baby boy, say hello to your uncles and aunties. Yo, it's just been a lot. Okay, I'm gonna do a separate video, like an 8-month update on baby boy, so you guys can know everything that's been going on with him. Y'all, his bottom tooth and his top tooth is like coming out. Like, his top teeth already came out, but his top tooth, yeah, he's growing up before our eyes. So yeah, but right now we're about to go, like I said, enjoy ourselves, and I'm about to take you guys with me. So yeah, let's go. So we made it to the spot. What the spot called?
Victory Fall.
Victory Fall?
Victory. Like
Victory. Yeah. Okay. So we made it here to that, and and it's no parking. I don't understand like why they have such like limited parking spots. Everybody want to come here today. I just don't understand why everybody want to come. I mean, it is a Saturday, but dang, like
they were coming out bad.
He's gonna get it.
He gonna get it. See?
Darn it.
We about to stay right here and just scope. We just gonna
See?
wait. I'm about to sit right down there.
Okay.
We just gonna have to be patient.
It's a whole lot of going on today, y'all.
A whole lot of
Because everybody want to go to this waterfall. I don't get it, but okay. So yeah, we've been riding around here for a good 15 minutes.
Yep, we got one.
We got one?
We got one?
Yeah, what you see?
Right here. You don't see these folks?
No.
Where?
Two people
Oh,
in front of us.
Oh, okay,
They
period.
gone, but
Turn
dang.
you sitting on.
That's up, man.
Stay right here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, lady. Y'all leaving?
Yeah.
I'm gonna block this traffic. I'm blocking everybody. Ain't nobody coming in.
I am done.
Watch this. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. We got parked sideways just like this. Yeah.
My baby is sleeping, so I'm done. Yeah, so baby boy is sleeping. I don't know if I'm gonna keep him in his stroller or just take him out, but yeah, I don't know. Keeson, the uncle, got his nephew. We have to climb some steps, y'all. Also, I wore my hair out natural. It's getting healthy. We are about to climb some steps because we have to climb some steps to get to this spot that we want to be at. This is my first time. This is Keeson's first time here. This is their second time. But yeah, so this is their second time coming, but I want to come back here with my man and have a little date because you can barbecue here and all that. So yeah, this is a cute little spot in Georgia.
Oh, heck no.
Y'all, this reminds me of like going to like a zoo or something. This is so nice. So I think them the steps, like I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like in between the trees right there. I think them the stuff that we have to climb. But let me get off this thing because I'm getting nauseous. Next time I'm gonna get in the water because you can't get in the water with the waterfall. So next time I'm gonna get in, but this time around I'm not. Look at the doggies. Look at the doggies. But yeah, so next time I'm gonna, you know, of course, bring baby boy back here with some swim diapers and stuff because I'm gonna have him to get in next time. But this time we just going to, you know,
now you go straight down way. That's where the barbecue's going on.
This way. I'm done. Not with all the black folks sit. So we're going down this way. This way.
That's where it's going down on the grill.
Y'all see the people in the water down there? Yeah. But this would be a nice spot to have baby boy birthday party, to be honest. But it's the parking spots for me. So yeah, if we had more parking spots available and stuff, this would be a really nice spot to have baby boy's first birthday party. Cause like I said, it's giving jungle, it's giving safari. So yeah, but like I said, when you guys come to Georgia, or if you're already in Georgia, please check out this spot. It's just really nice. If you don't already know about it, it's called Victory Hall or Hill, something like that.
Yeah.
What do you say?
It hurts.
It hurts. Y'all gotta get Legend a whole new carrier thing because he's outgrowing this one, so that's even interesting. But these are the steps, you guys, that we have to climb. OMG. Y'all, I feel like I am somewhere out of town. Huh. These are a lot of steps. Look. Coming back from there. I'm already tired.
Right there.
Jesus.
Are we not gonna climb the tree? I don't want to do the wall.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. I'm tired. This just means that I need to go to the gym. I should not be this high at my age. I'm only 22 and I'm giving 40.
You just a baby.
I'm giving 40. Oh, Jesus.
She giving 40.
Oh, man. Y'all. Oh, man. My legs was burning.
You ain't got nothing to do with being out of shape.
I be getting tired all up in here.
Man, I feel like I just ran like 10 miles. Oh man, that's bad. That's bad, y'all. Don't be like me. Y'all get out, do more exercise. Woo. Cause that right there was not it. That was not cute at all.
Kayla vlogging.
Y'all, it's giving trees. Look. Look at all this nature. I love it. I'm also doing a reel. So, y'all know how it is with the reels. We gotta watch our stuff. So y'all see all these tree branches on here? I'm out here about to fall, trying to do a reel. I'm trying to get back in the groove with everything, like I said, because I took a month break. Whew, it was a much needed break though. Very much needed. But, oh man. So how far we gotta walk?
Huh?
How far we gotta walk to get to this waterfall?
We almost there.
Yeah, about 10 more minutes.
I know you
I
lying.
don't think it's 10.
But again, y'all,
10 more minutes.
this is really nice. This is really nice. I see all them people down there. They having so much fun. Let me back up my family. I don't know.
That's where we went last time.
Oh, you gotta go down?
You don't have to, but this is where we went.
Oh, well, if we going.
You got my baby. Child.
Come get that.
Closer to the water, and yeah, so we had to walk back from where we was walking back to the steps and go down instead of going straight back to where we came from. So we made it to this part, and I have my shoes off and stuff, but he's somebody to try to get Legend. I got my phone. So yeah.
Like in the bathroom,
so the water pretty cold, y'all. So he probably don't like the cold water, but this is really nice. Can y'all see me? This is really nice. It's really nice. It's relaxing.
What is that? Huh?
There's a spider.
No, underneath that rock. Underneath the rock.
I don't know. Y'all see that spider? Let me see. Like, y'all see that? There we go. Right there. See. That's one thing I don't like about nature, okay? So nice. After this, I don't know what we're doing, but I'm hungry. I think Eric gonna barbecue something. I don't know. Eric gonna barbecue, right?
At home, yeah.
So yeah, so we're about to go ahead and get ready to go because, you know, I had my time here. I enjoyed my time. Been here for like 30 minutes already and stuff, so I don't want it to get too late, but because it's already 4:50. So, Legend, you want to say something to the vlog? You want to say something? So we made it back home, and I put my hair up because my hair was, it was hot, y'all. It was really, here I go. Okay, so yeah, so it was really hot, so I put my hair up, and yeah, y'all, I really enjoyed my time out, and I really needed it, okay? Like, I needed it. But I stopped by Walmart because I had to get some stuff. So I just picked up some what are these? Pizza rolls. So I picked up some pizza rolls. Pick up some waffles because your girl loves some waffles. And also, Legend is starting to eat like finger food. So yeah, I'm gonna break this up and see how he will take that. So yeah, but got some Honey Nut Cheerios because love me some good old Honey Nut Cheerios. So I got that. And y'all, this kitchen is in a mess. Excuse the kitchen. But yeah, so I got this. I no longer drink cow milk. I fully switched to oat milk. So got me some oat milk. Y'all, I actually saw a video on cow milk and stuff, and it changed my whole, you know, perspective on cow milk or whatever. Like, I do not drink cow milk at all since I watched that video. And yeah, but this is healthier for you anyway. So yeah, so I'm doing oat milk since I can't drink almond because I'm allergic to almonds. And then I pick up some cherries. Legend love cherries. I mean, that's the only fruit he would eat, y'all. Like, he would not eat anything else. I picked up some oranges for me that come in the, you know, little containers, little cups, whatever. And then I picked up some ice cream for Keyshawn. So he get the strawberry ice cream. Y'all, excuse this. I was feeding Legend earlier. We was rushing, okay? But anyway, so yeah, so strawberry ice cream for Keyshawn, and then I picked me up some strawberry Activia yogurt. And this is really good for your gut and downstairs area, ladies. So yeah, so that's all the stuff that I got from Walmart. And Mom is about to, you know, barbecue the ribs, whatever, or air it, one of them. Legend is sleeping right now. He's knocked out in Mama room. I am about to see if I can straighten up this kitchen really quickly because it's a mess. I would not want them cooking in a dirty kitchen because I don't like cooking in a dirty kitchen. So yeah, but I need to change my clothes because y'all, been outside, all that. Like I said, it was much needed, okay? I'm gonna make it my duty, or, you know, make it where like I go out twice a week, whether it's for a walk or whatever, because y'all, I be trapped in the house and it be driving me crazy because like it just be me and baby boy, and we don't be getting enough sunlight and stuff in the neighborhood and stuff. Like, I don't trust walking outside by myself and stuff. So I don't know, it just, child, it's, I'm gonna make it my duty to just at least get out twice a week, whether that's to a park or back to the spot that we went to today, somewhere, y'all. Because listen, like, just being so like consuming the house is just like, it's not it. So yeah, and then the only times, like I said, I get out is when I go to church now. So yeah, that's about it. But I'm gonna make it my duty to, you know, be more active, more productive and stuff, because it was really nice out today, and it just, you know, remind me how good God is, and, you know, just let go of everything and just enjoy what he created, y'all. So yeah, that's that. But let me go ahead and change clothes because listen, see the lighting, I need to have to walk backwards for you guys because the lighting is terrible. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and change clothes and get situated. So we changed clothes. I am in a comfortable attire. Now I'm about to go ahead and clean the kitchen, go ahead and take off my red rings because I do not clean with the red rings, y'all. But yeah, so go ahead and clean so that way it'll be easier for them to get this food done, because your girl is hungry and I don't need nothing hindering my food from getting done. So yeah, let me go ahead and just put everything up.
Meanwhile, across town, in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between these two terminals is made, the newest form of electronic journalism lights up Mr. Howell.
Alright, so I cleaned the kitchen, as you guys can see, just to get them prepped for dinner. So I'm just going to chill out for the time being. I might take me a nap because I'm really tired. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I'll see you guys when we are cooking. Baby boy is up. Say hi. Can you show you your teeth at the top? Can they see? I hope y'all saw it. But I didn't get my nap, apparently. I ended up taking down my hair because I was trying on an outfit for church tomorrow. And yeah, by the time I wanted to take a nap, this one was up. So yeah, that was canceled, but everybody's in the living room. Hey, mother. And the grill is, let me see. Can y'all see? How's your night? How's your day?
Mine?
Yes.
Oh. Bless.
Bless? Yes, okay. Keep getting lipstick on him, yeah. Can I get a kiss? I had to charge the camera because the camera literally cut off on me when I was bundled with my child. But anyway, so they have the burgers prepped. I think it's something in here already. Oh no, there's nothing in there. He's still cooking. Who's calling me? Oh snap! Hold on. Yeah. Hi, baby. Say hello to the vlog. Babe. I think he butt dialed me. Babe. He definitely butt dialed me. He gonna realize eventually that he's on the phone. Hi, my baby. Can we see your teeth now? Can we see? Oh.
Lima.
They're watching something. I don't know. They watching this girl who be pranking dudes. When she, like, first she come out ratchet and then she come out looking all good and stuff, trying to see their reaction. I cleaned these off, don't worry. Meat.
The meats.
The meat.
Arby's. We had the meats.
But yeah. I cleaned these off. And it's a big bug in here. Oh my gosh. Y'all. It came from outside. Oh my gosh. Y'all look. It literally came from outside. Oh my gosh. It's a big old giant cockroach. Right here.
Get it, Caleb.
Mama. Mom, I need help. Mom. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus. Y'all help me. It came from outside. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Help me. Help me. Help me, Jesus. Help me. I don't like bugs. I really don't like bugs.
We don't like bugs.
I'm sweating.
Where's that?
I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Go kill.
I'm sweating. So Eric just killed the bug. Legend is saying mama. Like I said, I'm gonna do an update for him, but y'all, he just smashed the bug. Y'all, I was gone, okay? I was about to come get my child. We're about to go. We're about to dip. We're about to dip on everybody, okay? I don't do well with bugs. I don't do that. So, yeah.